let's add lower navbar. To add lower navbar, I am copying the bootstrap code only, navbar, and then I can copy this code and I will paste here, and then let me indent a bit and give the comment as lower navbar, and let me remove this part because I don't need that, and some extra nav item here I need about, and this drop down I don't need. Okay, this let me remove this part as well, and let me add here about, then our services. Okay, then I have to add best trips, gallery, and then last is contact. And let me see the preview. So I'm getting the intended navbar. So since I don't need the search here, let me remove that. Okay, I remove that now, and I need this kind of effect, some margin here and some margin here. So let me wrap the navbar content into container, this and this, and okay, now you can see I just wrap the navbar content inside the container, and when I save it I get this kind of effect. Now let's update the background color. Now if I click here and then enable the control, I can able to see the background color, which is 172F44. Let me disable it again, style, and then lower navbar, header, lower, not navbar, it's just navbar, and then background color this way. And you see right now I am having a BG light as the color, and let me switch back to navbar light to dark for the text part. Okay, this way. Now if you see, we have a home as active. Okay, how to do that? So to do that, let's basically add the CSS to this active part. And how can I do that? It's quite simple. Header, and then navbar, and then what is the next is navbar nav, and then navbar item, navbar nav, then navbar item, and then active. Okay, and now let me get the color of this one as well, of this box. Enable the control by pressing control backslash, and then I got hash as 59675B. Disable again, background color 59B and 596 and 57B. Okay, so okay, so navbar nav, and then navbar item I need to add like this. Something okay, navbar item, and then navbar link, navbar, sorry, nav item, it's nav item and nav link. It's not nav item, it's nav item. And okay, now if you see, we have some padding here, this padding, which is padding added by the navbar. Okay, you can see here the padding has been added by navbar here. If you remove it, then I got the similar effect like this. Okay, but the size is bigger, then I need to give the padding to the nav item. Let's do that quickly. So let me remove the padding from navbar. Padding is 0. Okay, I remove the padding, but I need to add padding to nav item now. Padding, and let me add 0.7 rem and left right 0. This way I got similar effect, and let me add the left side as well, 0.5 rem to left right, and this way I got very nice. Or let me add 0.7 only left right. Now if you see, I got similar effect as our design, quite neat, quite clean. Okay, now let's add similar effect to our other nav item when on hover. Quick, to get that effect, just add the hover effect here. Header there navbar, the navbar nav, then nav item, and hover. Okay, then you get the similar effect. Now the other two is this part, and we can get this effect by decreasing the font width here. Right now it's quite big. Let me add the font width. If you see, it's actually nav link. Then here let's add the nav link and font width to 300. Now if you see, our font width is as expected, but our this active part has also got 300 as font width. So to improve it, we just need to increase its font width to 600, like here. Okay, so you can see, so I need to basically add the enabling active to 600. So let me copy this, and then font width to 600 here, and then you get this indented styling. Okay, so this way our nav items has been done. Let's add these three icons. For that, let's quickly add a div here and give it as social icons, and then it's basically anchor tag. Right now it's not going anywhere. And then image, and I have an image with Facebook and Facebook at text, then other two, which are Twitter and then Insta. Twitter and Insta, and then okay. Now if you see, the size is too big. Okay, so what we can do is we can give another style to our nav header, and then social icons img as right now we have 30 pixel at upper, and height, let give it 20 pixel. Okay, it should be small. This way our right now it's not Okay, it's not active, but I need to give nav link. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so this way our upper and lower navbar is done, and it is as per the design. You can see